Hello everyone my friends. It's already spring outside and half a year ago I set myself the goal of gaining 100 kilograms of copper before spring. I already have about 60 kilograms at home, and today my collection will be replenished with at least 40 kilograms more. Here I have 60 kilograms of thick wires that today need to be recycled and all the copper removed from them. Be sure to watch the video until the end to find out how much copper I got in total and how much money I will earn. And before starting, I sincerely want to ask you to subscribe to my channel, put a like and write some comment. This will greatly help this video get more views, and I will be very pleased because I tried very hard. If you want to know where I got so many wires from, I advise you to watch my previous video. I will leave the link in the pinned comment. All my wires have a cross-section of 10 square, but as we can see they are different. There are two types, softer, made of many thin wires, and these are hard ones that consist of only 6 cores. In order to remove the insulation from these wires and so that it takes less time, I came up with such a device made of wood. I think this design is already familiar to you. There is a video on my channel where I showed how to make it. Whoever has not seen it, I will leave the link in the description. First of all, we need to unwind and align the wires. In the meantime, I'm working. You can place your bets in the comments. How much copper do you think will come out of 60 kilograms of wires? I unwound only hard wires. First we will cut the insulation from these wires and then we will move on to soft ones, since they have thicker insulation and so that you don't have to always change the blade. At first I thought about attaching this device to some kind of pole, but I tried it and I didn't like how it turns out. It's best to hold it in your hands and another person to poke the wire, so we can control the depth of the cut so that the blades don't get stuck in the copper core. Together, everything is done very easily and quickly. Sometimes it happens that the wire is not much bent and gets stuck, but you just need to pull harder and there are no problems. It took us about 20 minutes to cut the insulation from these wires. Now you can see how easily the copper is separated from the insulation. That's how much copper came out of just these wires. It's all scattered, but in fact there is a lot of it. In the end we will collect them in bays. And now we move on to the second batch of wires. With these wires, everything is much simpler, due to the fact that they are soft, pass through the hole very well and do not get stuck anywhere. Now we extract all the copper from the insulation and then we can already collect it and weigh it. Here are my friends how much copper turned out. Very beautiful, shiny, but unfortunately you have to sell it. Now we are twisting these hard wires into coils, and we will put this one in a bag. Do not switch at the end. I will show the prices for copper in Moldova and see how much I can earn. Finally, we can say that the work is completed. We got 4 of these skeins and 1 almost full bag. Let's weigh it. It turned out 45 kilograms of copper, and this is just 3 hours of work. Very nice. I am very pleased with the result. If we talk about prices, then after the situation that is currently in Ukraine, our prices began to fall sharply, especially for iron. The price fell by 50%. Copper is currently accepted at $7.50 per kilogram. I would be interested to know what your prices are, so write. I will be grateful. If I hand over these 45 kilograms now, I will earn $340. I still don't know what will happen next with prices and what should I do. Sell everything now or wait? You can also advise me in the comments. On this I have all my friends. I hope you like the video. I will be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel and rate this video like. I wish you all well. See you. Glory to Ukraine.